I love all your quirks that make you, you. The way that all your friends and family know when it's just being Val time. And they all have a vivid, unique memory that just popped into their head and smiled.
I love that you love to nap and relax with me. Part of being my perfect puzzle piece.
Good guys.
Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you always sang the words wrong.
And I love how seamlessly you fit into my life and into my family, my perfect little puzzle piece.
I promise to remind you to do the things you need to do to take care of yourself, even though I know you'll be annoyed, because those will all be reminders of how much I care about you. I love you with all my heart.
Hi, baby. You look so beautiful. Thank you.
Running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss.
I just wanna know if you're gonna stay. I just gotta know. I can't have it.
I vow to give you solo time when you need it. I didn't know I put that in here twice, but maybe that's what I meant to do. And lastly, I vow to be crazy and lazy all the days of our lives.
Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong.